In this video we're gonna show you how to use advanced park in your Lexus NX. While you're searching for a parking spot, you can stop just ahead of the center of the desired parking space. Then you can activate the system by pressing the advanced park switch, which is located under the touchpad screen right here. Then you confirm that the vehicle can be parked in the space. After that, you need to press start on the display. The advanced park begins to operate once you lift your foot from the brake. Also, you can now let go the steering wheel. Now your car will automatically be parked by itself without any control by the driver. It's gonna back up and stop when the rear bumper is near the curb. Then you will see advanced park finished is displayed. And it's going to put the transmission in park. You can now shut the car off, and that's pretty much it.